one of the things that struck me as I was looking at Leon Panetta's history is that it is a very long history. He has been providing public service for a very long time. If you were looking back upon the lifetime of service that you've provided, so I want you to project yourself into the future, what are you most proud of what you've been able to do? Arnie.
That's a wonderful question, since I guess maybe the color of my hair is kind of giving away the number of years that I have to look back. I try not to think about that too much. At least up till now, one of the things that I would be most proud of has to do with my experience in Toastmasters. I keep coming back, even though I've achieved the various little merit badges that they have, mostly for how I see other people develop. And the most fulfilling example of that was a Toastmasters club that I helped start at the Soledad prison a number of years ago called Talk the Line, play on the words of Walk the Line from the Johnny Cash song. And they are an amazing group of people. You think prisoners, some of them were in for life, and they would come to this Toastmasters club, and if they were a Toastmasters club out here, they would give us a run for the money by the way that they conduct the meetings. They were very meticulous. They loved the counterbell when we taught them about that. They just loved that. In fact, they would watch TV, and they would watch Carl, and then when Carl would come down, they would say, you've had 30 ahs since we saw you last time. They'd count every single one, which I thought was a wonderful payback because, as you know, Carl is the one who counted all 86 of my ahs for the record-setting one here. But what it was, the fulfillment of that was what it gave these men. It gave them a sense that they were worth something. When we were talking about how we evaluate by giving positive feedback and suggestions, one of the comments I heard one of them say is, we don't get a lot of positive feedback in this place. And so being able to give them a voice, giving them a sense that they could say something and had something worth saying was just very fulfilling, and I'm very proud of that. Madam Tabletop Master.